Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about browser related keywords, how we can able to use it in our robotic framework. And browser navigation, there are couple of three things we have presented, and it's a go to and go back, get location. Go to is nothing but which is the browser URL you opened, and you have to overlap means already old URL is presented, but you have to overlap for new URL. That moment we can able to use go to. Go back means which is the old URL is presented, that you have to go back. That you can able to say. Get location means which is the current URL presented into that particular browser. These two things we are going to check. Now I'm going to take for google.com first and then sleep 2 seconds. Then I need to use for get location. Get location is the variable to take some value. Location, and I need to make it for console place. Because I need to see for whether that old URL it is came or not, right, for checking purpose. And then I need to wait for 2 seconds of sleep. Then again I need to do for go to. In the go to I need to use for bingo.com. Okay, again I have to do for same these two operations. And I'm going to use for one sleep I will use and go back. Go back means in the history which is the one it is presented, that it will go for go on back step, and I can able to use for same because nothing much, right? And but go back it will not accept any URL because we are moving the history place whether the particular value is presented or not, like that. Okay, now what we done, right? First open google.com, I'm going to store and I'm going to print, then again new URL, again I'm printing, and I'm moving back to google.com means google.com I need to see the console place 2 times, bingo is 1 time. Okay, if I'm going to run, now it will open for the browser with the google.com with the maximization. Then you can able to see 2 minutes waits and bingo. Then it is go back, it is back to google.com, and even you can able to see there are 3 couple of things like google 2 times and bingo is 1 time. Okay, this is a way we can able to do for browser operations, and browser keywords also you can able to use like this. Okay, I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to give some comments on this video. Thank you.